It's a high-tech landscape: internet, TV, gaming, entertainment, streaming, and phone services, dominated by a handful of major companies who compete intensely to meet U.S. homeowners' most important communication and lifestyle needs. Some succeed, some do not. Designing Spaces found one U.S. home benefiting from the best in high-tech and one success company leading the way. Meet homeowner and communication executive Jason and his wife, business owner Pilar. 21st century consumers with 21st century technology needs.
Every device that you get now is connected to the internet in somehow. In order to thrive in that environment with that many connected devices, which is just going to continue to grow as you continue to bring devices into the home, you need a service provider that's going to be able to provide you that robust internet connection and to be able to cover your home with a Wi-Fi solution that's going to be able to reach all those devices and keep the service up when you have people around your house doing multiple things on the internet at the same time.
Jason wanted a technology with greater communication security, the very latest high-tech products, loaded with the latest in functionality and robust capacities. Like hundreds of thousands of homeowners across America, home has become an important location for reaping the big benefits technology provides. And for this East Coast couple, it's no different. Jason and Pilar are doing what many smart homeowners and business persons do: improving the home and lifestyle with innovation and technology, all available from Astound Broadband. Astound Broadband tech support keeps their appointments on time, and customers love them for it. Designing Spaces cameras arrived just in time to meet up with Astound Broadband's technician.
Someone's at the front door.
Oh. Let him know I'll be right there.
Okay. Thanks, hon. We'll be right there.
Hi, you're right on time. Come on in.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jason and Pilar had installed the doorbell camera a year ago, and in keeping with their technology-forward philosophy, are getting some additional high-tech.
The door cam, I absolutely love it. I didn't think that I was going to enjoy it as much as I have. It's really given me a sense of security. I know when somebody's coming, when somebody's walking up the driveway or the sidewalk. If I'm not home, I can always see that they're at the door, and I can turn around and say, you know what, please leave the package, or I'm not home right now if it's a neighbor. Come back in a little bit, I'd love to see you. It's been really life-changing for us. It's really helped us a lot.
25 connected devices just in this room right here. Some may call me lazy, but there's times at night that I sit on the couch that I don't want to get up and turn off the lights, or turn off the TV, or turn off a gaming solution. I can do all that with either voice commands or even with access to my phone. It really has been a game changer here for me. And what really makes this possible is the mesh Wi-Fi from Astound. Being able to connect to a camera that's at the end of the driveway and show it here on my TV to see if someone has pulled up, or also to bring up the front door to see if someone is delivering a pizza or a package without getting up, is pretty awesome, and I love it. They lead with technology. They're on the cutting edge with the mesh Wi-Fi, gaming routers, whole home audio, a next generation TV offering that you can stream from TV to TV or from iPad to iPad on our phones, or bring your own devices. They really are taking a step above all the competition from a technology standpoint.
I can work from home. I can be anywhere with this Wi-Fi being throughout the home. I can be in the screen and porch. It's really, when it comes to the space, the designing of our space here in the home, the most important thing is that it's usable. And when there's many people here, you know, somebody could be watching TV, somebody could be streaming a movie, somebody could be, you know, on their phone, different apps. I can be on a visual conference call and my service is always uninterrupted. I haven't had any issues. So I've really enjoyed every bit of it.
The mesh Wi-Fi, the home audio, the connectivity has really changed our lifestyle here. From playing video games in the living room to conferences here in my office, or having to take a phone conference or a teleconference out on the deck, or to even cheating sometimes and cutting the grass and being on a phone conference. That internet connectivity gives me that ability to do so. The connectivity needs of the home have changed dramatically over the last 6 months for me. I have so many more devices and so many more places to use those devices. My entire house is an ecosystem for OTT type applications and devices. From the doorbell camera to a driveway cam, to adjusting the lights because I don't want to get off the couch, to playing video games from multiple areas in my house. The connectivity, the whole home Wi-Fi, the audio solution has really changed our lifestyle here, and we love it.
When it comes to home technology, American family members usually have their favorites. Mom and dads may have theirs, kids theirs, but two things all agree on: blazing fast internet and super strong Wi-Fi. Astound Broadband, the best in digital delivery through the entire home, inside and out, day in and day out on countless devices. Internet and Wi-Fi coverage that keeps everyone connected, nanosecond to nanosecond. Astound Broadband delivers.
Also, while on site today, IKEA is installing the new Pro Gaming Router. This router for sure is going to give the gamers in the family a leg up on the competition. With bandwidth steering technology, low latency, and high-speed wireless access to the internet, without a doubt, the gamers in this family are going to start winning a lot more games. In my home environment here, I probably have 60 connected devices, from doorbell sensors to doorbell cams to light bulbs that come on and off, the little assistants around the house as well. Those devices need strong connectivity. Mesh Wi-Fi provides a blanket of connectivity for those devices. It's similar to lighting a room. If you're going to light a room, do you put one single spotlight in the room, or do you do multiple lightings to provide ample coverage for that room from a lighting perspective? Having multiple meshed Wi-Fi devices in the home, providing that blanket of covers, ensures that one camera from one end of the house is getting the same amount of coverage and internet access as the camera on the left side of the house as well. And all those devices in that ecosystem are getting ample speed and connectivity to provide an incredible experience here at my home.
Wi-Fi mesh, it just works. It protects me and my devices. As a businesswoman, it's something that I need. I need to know that I can rely on that. Top-notch security. It's what's important.
Blazing fast internet, leading-edge home networking, cable TV, all bundled with affordable home service plans. Astound Broadband is revolutionizing the in-home broadband experience. As an 8-time recognized award-winning internet service provider, this internet and TV provider continues to innovate as it continues to grow. For more information about Astound Broadband and how they can improve your family's in-home entertainment experience, from Wi-Fi, streaming, gaming, phone service, and more, while offering the most competitively priced plans, visit astound.com. And to watch this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv.